Hi, I'm Chris Van Hollen, and I represent the great state of Maryland in the United States Senate. And I want to thank all the organizations who make this Flex event possible, and especially commend the high schoolers who decided to participate. Programs like this are essential to creating a pathway for the next generation of legal professionals to support our system of justice. Emblazoned above the portico of the Supreme Court are the words equal justice under law. That is the principle we strive for, but it is the lawyers who must bring that principle to life every day in courtrooms throughout our country. And in the Congress, we write many laws, but it is the lawyers who put them into practice. So the future of the rule of law is in your hands, and we need you more than ever. So good luck today, and pay good attention. We're counting on you.
I'm primarily the one responsible for coaching all of the students and our Flex Fellows, as well as the strategic partnerships for the organization. The mission of the Flex Foundation is to make pre-law programming something that's really accessible and fun for students. A lot of students need to know about the legal process. It's something that we can't really escape, whether you decide that you want to be an attorney or not. And because of that, we want the students to be able to be equipped with the skill set necessary to feel confident to advocate not only for themselves, but for their community.
To be a part of the mock trial or the Flex program, you have to be a leader in the classroom, moving from the back of the row to the front row. We be public and private schools, 4 different counties, high schools in 4 different counties, all as a result of these students receiving what it is we were asking, absorbing it, and then seeing how they deliver it at the end. And in the last 3 years, we've lost 1 match. Before Flex partnered with Central High School, we didn't even go to the regional competition.
I've met quite a few attorneys who cannot do half of what those 15-year-olds did today. I think it's important that we have organizations like Flex to show kids like the ones that we've met today that what they want to do is within arm's reach, like they're capable of doing it and it is feasible.
My most valuable lesson I've learned from being in the program is really just to really learn to express myself and to really be confident in how I speak and ways of expressing myself.
So the most valuable lesson or the skill that I learned was public speaking. I've learned to grow accustomed to it and I've learned to love it.
This is one of the most valuable ways that a student, whether you're high school or whether you're on the collegiate level, prepare them for the practice of law.
The entire Flex process is mentorship in action, from giving a platform to the students so that they can understand what a fact pattern is, to then giving the rules and understanding that these are the laws that will be applied here, whether it's federal rules of civil procedure, which they were quoting today, and I thought that was great.
They know the federal rules of evidence. They know what courtroom decorum looks like. They know public speaking. They have the confidence to be able to command the room. And that's going to translate not only in the courtroom, but in any field that they go to.
Law school is its own language. They're already one step above.
Mentor and menteeship, it's essential. It's a critical to surviving, to understanding, and it's good to have that exposure. We're going places that wonderful and great attorneys have gone before, and we might want to have some exposure to someone else that has done it, has gotten it right, and has been successful at it.
It's like having a playbook and someone hands it to you for free. And if you're in a program like Flex, it exposes you to things that you would ordinarily not have the opportunity to have.
Access to legal education at such an early age is important because people begin to understand that their views matter. People begin to understand that they can be self-advocates, that they can advocate on behalf of others. And so they begin to understand that they have the knowledge and the information necessary to change the world. When you understand your role, you understand how to represent. When you understand your power, you understand what you can bring forth. And being in a program like this helps them to understand that no matter what your area of interest, there's a place for you, there's a field for you to be able to be your best you and to be able to do the things that are important to you.
If you do have the opportunity to join Flex, definitely take it.